In this course, we'll take a more detailed look at the various network devices that you're going to be involved with working as a network technician. We're going to start by analyzing the various types of switches, as well as their cost and varying capabilities. You'll learn that a basic layer 2 switch is really nothing fancy. It forwards packets based on MAC addresses, and it isolates traffic to minimize contention on Ethernet networks. On the other hand, a layer 3 switch is going to be far more advanced, far more manageable, and largely configured via software, providing a large amount of flexibility. Routers, on the other hand, are more rigid network devices that are often implemented at the network edge. In most cases, you probably won't work with routers a ton, especially not on the local area network. But in order to connect LANs to a wide area network, or when dealing with more complex enterprise networks, the routers are going to provide a particularly important function. So we'll spend some time looking at the different routing methods and the protocols that those routers are going to use to exchange information. We're going to shift our focus to look at wide area network transmission and connectivity options that exist for today's networks. We're going to start by describing the various methods that organizations might tap into to provide connections to the internet or to other offices. These include various styles of networks, such as circuit switching networks used by DSL, ISDN, and T carriers, cell switching networks used by ATM, and packet switching networks used by Frame Relay and MPLS. We'll then discuss various options for connecting to the service provider and providing access to those types of networks. We'll finish by looking at the most common concept. We'll finish by looking at the common concept of converged networks, where we can maintain different types of traffic such as voice, video, and data on the same underlying infrastructure.